Watch as a tiger shark decides to test my cameras for herself. Hello and welcome back to the channel. We are just off the coast of Bimini here in the beautiful Bahamas. The sun is coming up. Yesterday I was testing 3 cameras on my underwater rig, the GoPro Hero 12, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and the Insta360 X4. Now, I was just gonna test these cameras and give you kind of a side-by-side comparison, but a tiger shark decided to get involved, making for a very, very interesting test. The bite of the tiger shark actually turned off the GoPro as its jaw came down. Because I had the 3 cameras, you were able to see this in 3 separate slices. And I love how the Insta360 X4 captures the whole scene. Using its editing software, the software that comes with this camera, you're able to actually frame and reframe how the shark came up, everything that happened. Because you see, okay, so the shark comes up, bit the GoPro. I was holding on to the rig because there's a lot of money invested in this rig. I didn't want to let it go, but then it was 1 tug, 2 tugs, and one of the first rules of tiger shark diving, if you have a camera underwater, if the tiger shark wants your camera, you just let it go. So on the 3rd tug, because the next step would be for the tiger shark to shake the whole rig, and I didn't want the tiger shark to shake the rig, and I thought maybe she'll drop it as she gets away. And so I let go. Tiger shark began to take the rig up, but then, thank goodness, dropped it, and my camera's a little negative, which means it does tend to sink. I'm glad it does not float because it would have gone probably to the surface. And Jim Abernathy, who runs Jim Abernathy Scuba Adventures, which really makes all these incredible expeditions possible, came right beside me and grabbed the camera. I took it back, checked everything. The GoPro Hero 12 housing survived fine, and each camera did its job to document the whole situation. We'll come back to the Insta360 X4 in a moment, but first, let's take a look at how the other cameras performed in this situation. And we'll start with the GoPro Hero 12, which was closest to the shark. In these water conditions, the GoPro was leaning towards a green side, as you see. We were dealing with low tide all day and the water was good, but not crystal clear. When the shark bit down on the GoPro, she actually hit the power button, as I mentioned, and that's why you see a frozen picture. I love GoPros. I've used them underwater since the very first Hero camera. So you see the teeth coming around the camera, beautiful shot of the inside of its mouth, so there you go, low light situation, still documented it very well. Well, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 captured the bite, the mouth coming over the camera. I really like the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. You see it shoots a little more to the blue side versus the GoPro 12. One note, the battery on the Ace Pro 2 tends to go faster on a long dive, so if you're using the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, buy extra batteries. I love the screen on the back of this camera. It's nice and bright and easy to see underwater. So now let's go back to the test. Which camera do I like better? Well, I think it really depends on preference. I think each one has its own unique qualities. I just love that Insta360 X4 because in post-editing, because you're capturing everything around you, you can kind of go into the edit software and really give a cool look. And in this case, I was able to tell the whole story of the tiger shark taking this camera. This camera also lets you shoot behind the scenes. You can see I'm rapidly trying to make sure my cameras are good to go, and I'm still watching out for sharks. I've used every edition of the Insta series, and I continue to be impressed as they refine and upgrade their products. I do want to give a mention to this effect on the Insta360 software for the X4 called Tiny Planet. It really lets you show everything that the camera captures, even a shark trying to take all my cameras. All in all, a fascinating test. Today we're in Bimini, Target species is the great hammerhead shark. Probably see some bull sharks, probably see a lot of nurse sharks, and that's what we're doing today. Subscribe to Space Shark Earth on Instagram and Space Shark on YouTube. Please let me know what you think of this video, ask questions, let me know your comments, and check out this video on using housings underwater. There are some gotchas you always need to watch out for.